cupcakes. And this mixture is for chocolate cupcakes. You already said that. And water. And this.
What's that?
Sprinkle. The cupcake mold. And then oil. And then be careful. And then 3 eggs. And then this for the cupcakes. Milk, cream, and
Nutella.
yeah, Nutella. And then
Okay.
pour with the spoon. Let's get started. Now let me just open this up. Let me do scissors.
Sure. Where is it?
I'll get it for 1 minute. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Go.
Go.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I just opened this box already. Every box. Now let's cut this. Open it. We can use scissors, but we didn't ask your parents at home.
Do you need my help?
No. Oh my God. What is wrong with these scissors? That's cutting properly.
Why? What's happening?
Onto the tip.
It's not working at all? Okay. I think you can do it. Good job, Red. I think you're a big girl na talaga. I think that should be enough. You can pour it out. Make the thingy a little bit big. Okay.
You should cut more.
Okay. I think I should help you out.
So hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my mom helped me because I said no because I thought I could do it by myself. So my mom helped me. So what is next, Mom?
You can put the eggs, I think.
Because we forgot how to do this, right?
It was like 6 months since we've done the cooking thingy.
Yeah.
Okay, so here are the ingredients that we need. So we need 125 ml vegetable oil. While Red is putting now the eggs. You need 3 eggs,
And oil.
3 medium eggs.
Yeah, that's what I'm using right now.
Yes.
Oh no, a shell. Shell.
And then
Oh no, a shell.
the chocolate, tempting chocolate icing, but since we don't have that, we forgot to buy and it's not available in Almira.
So we got
Only got the Nutella. That's
So-
the one that we're gonna use as the icing.
and my
And we also have some whipping cream.
python on my shirt.
Okay, so are you sure no shell inside?
Yeah, ow. I just hurt myself with a shell. Can we mix now?
Sure.
Yep, you have to put the you have to put the sunflower oil already.
Oh, okay.
Put the oil.
All of them?
Yep.
Oh no. Make sure it doesn't spill too much.
Good
Like
job.
this.
And then you will need the same value of milk.
So,
The same amount of milk. So you're gonna open.
wait. See you for a minute. Bye.
Yeah. So we're gonna add some milk.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome back now. So, can you pour the milk for me?
Sure. And what's the magic word?
Please?
Yes.
Wait, this is like cereal.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to keep mixing. Make sure that you are holding the bowl nicely.
Yeah,
Because it might fall.
Yeah, and then this is already falling. I just saw this. Get some sugar. Mix it. Mix. Bye bye, I just wrap.
So how is it?
Good. Look at
Doing good?
Wait, just put a little bit of sprinkles here.
Not yet. Later pa yon. Keep mixing, keep mixing. You have to mix it nicely so that you'll get the nice
I'm like making slime right
softy,
now. Right now I'm like making slime.
slimy.
I'm like making slime.
Yeah, it's just
I'm
the same
like
as
making
how we're
cupcake
making
slime.
slime.
I'm like
It's
making
a cupcake slime. Okay, while Red is mixing the cake, I'm going to put some of this.
No.
These are the...
If this is your channel, you have to mix it.
Hey, how
I
is it?
taste some.
Hmm?
I taste some.
Is it good? How does it taste?
Good.
Good?
Eat some, guys. Here. Eat some. Oh, no.
Hey, what's that?
Yummy, yummy. Yummy,
Some more milk because there's a lot of powder inside pa. So we hope we didn't get too much of the milk.
I think it was too much.
Think so?
Yeah, but this is still milk here.
Okay, keep mixing. Keep mixing, keep mixing.
Mix. Mix some slime.
Did you miss baking?
Yeah.
It's been a long time since we do our baking.
Because it's our first time. This is last time.
Hey, don't do that.
Eat some. Oh no! It's okay though. Right?
Yep.
Watch out! Oh, oh
What's
no!
happening, Red? That's such a mess.
I know, I'm a messy girl. I love to be a messy girl. More.
You should scoop it.
Oh no.
Let me try to help you.
Oh
Yes.
no. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna get some of this and put it in here this way.
So I'm gonna help Red to scoop it. Since
Since I don't know how.
she's getting a hard time to scoop it up. So there you go.
I'm just taking a spoon. And let's just
It's a
put
little bit
sprinkles
hard
inside
to-
the thing. So in the filling. Just
Not
like
yet. We're gonna put the sprinkles after. Not now. Because it's gonna be, ano.
that. Doing the filling.
Thing to do. Lick the spoon. Lick the spatula. So, for every box of cake mix, you can actually make 12 cupcakes.
Yeah.
Sorry for this messy part. A little bit mess.
That was my
But
fault.
that it's okay. So this is, our next step is Red's favorite thing to do.
And your favorite thing to do is...
Put on princess.
Yay! Okay.
I'm gonna
Get started.
1, 2, 3, 4. 12.
12. So we have 12 cupcakes. And
So,
Red is going to put now the sprinkles. Just a little bit. It's too much.
yeah, that's
A
enough.
little bit too much.
Oh no.
So she wanted to put different colors for each of the cupcakes. So how many colors do we have from the circle ones? From the beads?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4? Okay.
Also this
Oh, you
one.
haven't put one color yet. I think green. You haven't put green yet.
Oh yeah.
So you can put green on the other one.
Only green.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that's too much.
Oh, that's a little bit too much.
That's ton.
It's tons of. Oopsie. Oops. Oh no!
Ton. That's a ton. That's a ton. Oh, it's almost a ton.
Okay. Let's
Chocolate plus chocolate. It was very chocolate. Ah!
oops. That's enough. So we've got
Let's put some
a
more.
little bit too much of everything.
Yeah.
But this is Red's favorite thing to do, to put the sprinkles. Okay? Let me see.
Oh no.
Oh no, that's too much. The other one.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
But it's looking really pretty.
Oh
I
no.
super like it. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh no! Next one. You can use the stars, I think. Okay, enough. That's too much. Okay, so...
Wait. I'm gonna put some in my mouth.
Hey! That's a little bit too much. You're still coughing. That's enough. Okay, so... It's ready to get into the oven. And let's get started. Oh. That's okay. I'm gonna clean that later. So we have preheated the oven. Let's put it on. Okay. Great. And so here is our Cupcake
The
fresh.
pan is very hot. Got it. Got it. To my cupcake. And Red can't wait. Yeah, it's still very hot. So here we go. This is Red's cupcake with different sprinkles. The other one just got melted because I think we should just put it when it's finished baking. Look at that. Very nice cupcake. By Red.
No.
And look who's enjoying her cupcake with a lot of cream and very hot.
It melted.
Yeah, it is melting. Yeah.